Here's how you can connect two apps in Zapier. To connect two apps in Zapier, first of all, go onto your Google browser and search for zapier.com. Make sure to sign in by clicking on Start Free with Email or your Google account. After signing in, when you're on the main page, go on to Apps from the left bar menu. Here, click on Add Connection, and now you'll need to add an app to connect it with Zapier. For example, I'm going to do ChatGPT. It will ask you for an API key from the ChatGPT. Just click on the link, log in with your OpenAI account, and you'll be able to create a new secret key. Paste it back there and click on Continue to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is connected to Zapier. Here, you'll need to do the same thing with any other app. For example, I'm going to do for Google Docs. Once you've connected a couple of apps, go on to creating a new Zap. Here, you'll see these options. Click on Trigger on the first option, and you'll be able to add any app that you want. For example, I'm going to do Google Docs. Click on the action option and click the other app, like I'm going to do ChatGPT. And you can also add the event that you want to start with that, like add an event on the first app and then also add the event on the second app that you want to do with that connection. For example, here you guys can see that I've connected Google Docs with ChatGPT. I can select the event that I want them to do. That is how you can connect two apps together on Zapier. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.